Leaders Program. We have distinguished Toastmaster Sri Kumar Pai. This is his own initiative. I have always seen and have a lot of respect what he is doing for Toastmasters, because in 2002 he has started his journey in Toastmasters, and he served Toastmasters in various capacities, from club's president, area director, then division director, and even club growth director. He has started around more than 17 clubs, and the most important thing is that he has been a reason for starting 35 Gavel clubs. Senior civil engineer, and he is a guest faculty in various engineering colleges, and he conduct various leadership programs for the students. Without much ado, let me welcome distinguished Toastmaster for you to talk about Pathway Basecamp. Welcome, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, Toastmaster, for the introduction. Fellow Toastmasters and leaders, we are all here to know more about our Basecamp manager. So without wasting much time, let us straight away go to the Basecamp manager. All of you can see the screen. Can you see the screen, please? All of you?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So who is a Basecamp manager? The Basecamp manager is the person who manages the progress of members in Pathways. That is a simple definition for a Basecamp manager. And who are the Basecamp managers? VP Education, President, and Secretary. These are the three people who are in charge of this Basecamp managers. And this is fixed by the Toastmasters International. None of the other club officers can become the Basecamp managers. VP Education is the first person, primary person in charge, and his absence, President and Secretary can support him. So what are the responsibilities of a Basecamp manager? The first thing is that approve the level completion. When someone complete their level, he will be sending a request, and it is the responsibility to approve that. Then approve the speech giving outside, which I think many of you are not familiar. I will explain what exactly it is meant by. If someone wants to give a speech outside your club, he has to get approval from the VP Education. I don't think many of the clubs are implementing that. It is left to the club. Provide certificate for level completion. When you complete the level, you have to give a certificate. Check, report, and manage the Pathways progress. He has to go through the report and see how the pathways are progressing. Then help members to implement pathways, and help the club to upload the levels in the club center. So these are the responsibilities of a Basecamp manager. So let us move on to the detailed about this. So let me log on to Toastmasters. So even though I am not a Basecamp manager now, I got the password from one of my president, and I'm going to use that president login to show you, so that I can go inside the Basecamp manager. Now you can go to this Basecamp manager two ways. One is directly from your profile. This is the latest, recently they made things. You can just click this, your profile. And you can see here you are coming to the Basecamp also. From here you can see the Basecamp. And this is, since this is profile, your personal profile, all the details are here. If you have enrolled whichever path, you can see from here. You can go to that transcript directly, and you can have your own details, awards, and personal detail, everything you can have. So this is one method to go to the Basecamp. Second method is go to Pathways, go to Basecamp. So you are coming to the old Basecamp. It used to come like this. Okay. And this is the place where you have to use to go to your Basecamp. So the first thing is that you have to, if you are a dual member, you have to select your home club. Okay. You have to select your home club, and then if you are a Basecamp manager, then definitely this button will be there. Log in as Basecamp manager. Otherwise, you can go to your personal Basecamp only. So let us click this log in as Basecamp manager. So now you are coming to your Basecamp main screen, where you can see 3 tiles here: pending request, member progress, manager tutorial. So we are more concerned about the pending request and member progress. So many of you people are doing the pending request. Things in pending request you do. Can anyone unmute mic and tell me what are the pending requests you will be doing there? Some of the BP educations already started doing. So what are the things comes there, and what are the things you have to approve? Can anyone tell me?
Level completion.
Level completion.
Yeah, that is level completion 1. Anyone else? Any other? Any
Speech
other?
outside. Speech outside class.
Yeah, speech outside. If you some member wants to get permission to give speech outside, also we can see from pending request. So let us go to the pending request now. So this is the page when you have the pending request. Now there is no pending request here, so you can't see anything here. I think you are familiar with this screen. Shall I show you another some with the pending here? Is it required? Then I have to close this and share my PowerPoint, that sample page. Okay, I think better I will come back. Just close this. I'll go to pathways, share. You can see this is the page you will be come across. This is the page you will be coming across. You see here, there is a pending request coming from one of the members. He has completed the path and you have to give approval. Okay, so here there are 2 buttons here. One is green button, one is into red button. If you want to give approval, just click this green button and give your remarks that approved, congratulations, something like that, and you can give approval. And if you have any reason to deny it, you can use the red button and give your remarks why you cannot approve that, something like that. In most of the cases, we don't want to make any confusion. So usually you approve, and if you have any remarks, better just call the member, speak to him. Then instead of sending the denying another thing, it's not a good practice for us. You can call the member and clarify with him. Then you can proceed with this. So this is the one request. And second request is if someone
Sir?
Yeah.
Just one thing. Who gives this request basically? Member himself can give.
Yeah. Member, if you want to give, suppose you want to give a speech outside Toastmasters, maybe you want to give some Rotary going on. You want to give a speech there, and you want to treat it as one of your projects. So you give a request to you send a request, automatically come to this managers. So any manager, they will see it here.
So any member can access the path, the Basecamp and give a request, right?
No. That is from your personal transcript. I will show you that. It will be from your own personal transcript. There is an option there. From there, you will be asking. You need not come here. You can't enter here as a member. You can't come here. Okay, I will show you that later.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what these 2 things you do from here. Okay, that's the main thing. So let me go back. You'll be doing, and you can go back from here or from here. Just click here. Back here. So the pending request, that's one thing. And once you approve a level, your immediate responsibility is to give a certificate to him. Okay, so how can you give the certificate? So you just type the name of the person here. For example, I will type one. Today net is little so slow, I think. Okay, so I will go to this person. I want to give a certificate whose level have been approved. So I'll go to his profile here. Paths here. Curriculum. You can see he has finished so many levels. Suppose I want to give a certificate for level 4, I will go here, level 4 and view the details. You can see that the view certificate here, certificate is ready. Once you are approved, the certificate will be ready here. If it is not, you can just go here, just click the training details. And there is a button here, print certificate. You can do like that also, print certificate. And the certificate is ready. You can just download and send him and take a printout and give the certificate during a club meeting. Okay, so that is what we will be doing here. That's how you give the certificate. I hope you got the idea. Okay, so you can, usually when it is approved, automatically the certificate will be ready there. View certificate. See the view certificate. Certificate is ready. If you can't see the certificate, you go here, view training detail, and you just click that print button. Okay. So that's how you give the certificates. And Toastmaster Balachandran was asking about the how to get the approval for that. I'll go to that member again. Getting approval for giving speech outside. So how to do that? You go to your profile, go to this paths and learning, and you hear these 3 buttons here. You can see usually it comes here. I don't know why. When you click this paths and when you click this button, there will be a request here. Just maybe little slow.
Sir, I just tried. I can see.
Yeah, you get from here.
I can see an add
request.
External training.
Yeah, external training. You can click that. Maybe if this is little slow, that is why it is not showing. Okay, so from here you get it. Path learning and external training. Click that one. Then an application form will come. You fill that. The application form will ask you where you are going to give, which date you want to give, who is going to support you for evaluation, all the things in there. You send. So it comes to the base bank manager, pending request, and he will approve, and it will be listed somewhere here. Okay. So once everything is finished, you get the credit for that. So that is the thing. So the first thing is approve the level, give the certificate, and third important thing is that immediately try to upload in your club central, because that is entirely different. Once you approve the level, doesn't mean that you are getting credit for your DCP points. So you have to go to your club central, and from there you have to approve. You have to upload the level of that person. Then only you will get the credit for the DCP. So these are the things you will be doing at the beginning. Okay. Very slow today. Okay, so that is pending request. So pending request will be approving levels, giving the certificate, and help the club to upload their levels to the club central. You can upload to the Toastmasters. These 3 things you have to do. Okay, and always try. Some people, some members, what they do is they are not doing it in an order. As far as possible, it is better to do in an order. We can see that some members will be leaving level 2 and they will be doing level 3. They will be doing 1 or 2 projects here and do level 3. And level 3 they will finish, you will upload. The problem is that most of the time when you go to Toastmasters International, when you upload that level, it will be difficult. Because you are not uploaded level 2, then you cannot upload level 3. So always better to go with the same. Okay, that you can insist member. And another important thing is that suppose I have finished my level and I am sending a completion, though immediately it goes to the base bank manager, base camp manager. Immediately what I do, I'll go and I will change my club to another club. That's my home club. The problem is these people cannot see you unless the member who is having his base club, that is the home club, then only the base camp manager see his name. So this is very important. At least if you send a request for level approval, please don't change your club from one to another one. Keep that as base club, your home club. Otherwise, it will be difficult to approve. So that is an important point members should remember. And now the second important thing is that member progress. This is the one most of the time we will be using to get the information about how the progress of the paths. So let us go to that member progress. It takes little time to go to. And this is where you get the progress. If you see a few months back, there is one thing they have added. Can anyone tell me what they have added? Those who are familiar with anything added here, new one? All veterans. Can you think something there? A little change here. We can't say added something change here. Any idea? VP Education. Who I think 9M sir, you can you recognize something different here?
Recently selected paths.
Something different from our old progress. Anything you noted? No, you might have not noted it. See, the difference is that earlier, when you click this individual program, it was showing the progress of the level paths here. Now it is showing the project progress. This was not there. If you take about 6 to 7 months back, it was showing level path progress. It was not project progress. Now we can view the project progress here. See the evaluation and feedback in the level 1. We know that there are ice breaking, evaluation, feedback, and research. These are the 3 things. So from here you can know how many people are going to do this. Suppose it is blank. First of all, you have to go and refresh here. You have to refresh. Okay. Refresh. Then only all the things will come. You can check down when it has been updated. Today it is 5/9 is the refresh date. So if you find the old data, if you have not used this for 1 month, maybe old only. So you have to refresh going from here. Okay. So that you get the refresh. Now you can see that evaluation and feedback 19. Can anyone tell me what is this 19 indicates? Here is 24. What does indicate 19? Anyone tell me?
People who have completed.
19 members have finished that.
Any other comments?
They downloaded 19 members downloaded, or I opened that, launched.
No. Anyone else?
Is the percent of completion? Percentage?
No. Anyone? Very important information. The last time people were asking me, I conducted the same thing last year. This 19 indicate it is not members. This is always we confuse. We think that 19 members are doing this. No, it is path users. 19 indicate path users because one person can open 2 paths. No, one person can have 2 paths. And here in this complete reports, all the things it gives you about the paths used by your club, not members. Members are listed, but it gives you the paths, how many paths are your club. Almost all the reports are based on that. Path users, not number of people. Okay, so the 19 indicate that 19 users, path users, completed the evaluation. Either they completed or in progress. This indicates icebreaker. 24 members, some of them completed, some of them are progress. And this one, 16 people. And can anyone, last time people were asking what is this here 2.5, 0.5, 7.5, something like that. Can anyone tell me what is this indicates? Anyone know what is this? Anyone thought about this? You see here 2.5, 5.5, 0.5, 7.5. Anyone can guess what is this indicates? Anyone? No. It is
have-
actually, yeah, tell me, anyone?
It could be who started but not completed. Progress 0.5 could be just progress.
No, no, it is not that. Actually, it is only a graphical presentation. When you see a graph, what usually do it, you have X and you have Y. So this is only just a graphical coordinates only, just to show that approximately this was is coming in between 22.5 and 25 people users, just to show this representation only. There is no any other significance for this 2.5, 7.5. The graphical lines are marked at 2.5 intervals. Okay, so the only graphical representation, nothing significant with the presentation of completion. Okay. Okay, so now if you want to, you can see that evaluation feedback, 19 path users. How can I know who are the people? We'll go here, view details. So it gives you the full detail of these people, who are the people doing that. You can see here, can go down.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yes, yes.
You can see here 19 people, 19 users. You can see the Shaji Janardhanan is using two parts. One is presentation mastery in progress, innovation completed. That is why 19 people are coming. So that means his name is counted twice. So this does not give you the number of people, gives you the number of users, path users. Okay, so you should be very careful about that. And this is an icebreaker also, 24 path users, speech users, these are the people. And again, if some of the members, dual member, if they have not selected your club as their home club, you can't see their name also here. Okay, you can't say their name. So, can you see? Okay, I have to share again. Okay, can you see this now? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we
Can
can
you
see
see
the
my
bar diagram.
this graph only? Can see no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so that is the individual progress. You are seeing the projects. So level 1 project, these are the people who are doing, either they completed or go. And if you go to level 2, active listening, connect with your audience, and these are the users, pathway users. You can always go here and use the view detail, and it gives you the complete detail in note down. So all level, what are the projects there? All the things progress are given here. Level 3, level 4, level 5, all the things are listed here. I hope you got some idea about this.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
See, different people are in different levels and different projects.
Yes.
Like for instance, the person would be L1, P1, the second person would be L2, P3, third
Okay.
person could be L3, P2. So if I want to know each individual, where is he right now? What is the last project that he did? Because very difficult because you have to go through different levels and check it out. Is there any way by which we can check out?
Actually, it is what we have to go through this only. You see now, he was giving you the project progress. Let us go to the level completion. Level completion. You can see here, those who complete the level within 90 days are listed here. So you know that Safir Aziz, Jacob, Matthew Jacob, and these people already completed level. You can see from here which level they have completed. Also, you can check from here. Go to the view, it will show you. Okay, so from here you know that these people have completed within 90 days. Yosemite and other things. Okay. Okay, that is the level.
The problem is a VP education.
Yeah.
Suppose a person is on project 2 of a particular level, If he gets that kind of a data, he'll be able to.
You have to refer this whichever detail you want. You have to go and refer from here. Okay, so from here you know that the person whom levels within 90 days. This person, that means you know he has not completed any level. If he has completed any one level, his name will be here. So within 90 days he has not finished. So we go to the next things. Path progress. This gives you the complete path progress. You see here, again the level completed by. This gives you the status of all the paths. You see here, dynamic leadership. 3 people are in progress. 3 people are in progress. And who are these people? You click that button and get the view details. So it completely tells you how much percentage he has reached. It shows you. Okay, let me click this view details. Okay, so it doesn't show you. No, can you see show you the screen? No.
No.
So I will go out and share this again. Okay, you can see. You can see that dynamic leadership, Safir Aziz, okay, is in progress. He completed 62%. 62%. That may be approximately about third level. He might be completed 3rd level or nearby 3rd level. Okay, so you have to go to his individual, and from there you can check. You have to go to individual. It gives you from here. It gives you every person who is in your club how much percent he completed. Sajita, she has completed only 17% dynamic leadership. Okay, and effective coaching. Savita Nambiar completed 100%. Okay, so
Sir, the level completion can be get directly from the roster.
Yeah, there also
So
you get.
once we know which is level, then we need to go into that particular level only. Suppose he completed only level, you already completed level 1 as per roster. You need to check only in level 2.
No, he wants to know which level 1, whether he reached level 1, then second project level 2, something like that. That screen, that detail, that what he was asking.
What I am telling is, if suppose you want to know a particular person, you check at the roster, then you found that he is already at level 1, say innovative IP1. Then you check only the second level. Then only he will be doing the project now. Because first level already completed. That's what I'm telling.
Correct. That's what we'll tell you. It was already giving you the list of completed levels. So you need not go beyond that. If his name is not there, that means within 90 days he has not finished any levels. So you know that he is not done maybe in the initial stage, something like that. Then if you have so much doubt, you can go to his individual and check there also. This also gives you, but if you want to have more detail, you can go to his individual curriculum and check that. Okay, let me close this and go back to. Okay, so in the path progress, he tells you this dynamic leadership. There are 3 users are using it, and you go here and it gives you complete detail. Who are the people? Effective coaching. Blue indicate that it is completed. So someone has completed. Who is that person completed? You can check from the view. And there is one gray color here, which is he just registered but not yet started. So you can get the detail who registered, who has not started. So this gives you about all the paths, what is the present situation. Okay, and here path registered, not yet started. Here path in progress, dynamic leadership, who are the people continuing here. You can go the detail here. This is the first one, gives you full details. That is the progress and registered, not started. Here individually, registered, not yet started, who are the people, and we are the progressing. So from here also you get the detail about the progressing of the individual members. You can complete it also. Okay, so that is you get from here. And path type. Path type actually, actually in the path type, still it did not open. This is old screen only. Path type actually there are 2 type of path. One is online path, then the other one is the printed version. So who are the online path list, the path details will be available there. And nowadays I don't find much detail about that. I think some net connection problem is there. And recently selected path. Okay, sorry, I can't open this because some net problem, I think. Let me just refresh it. Path progress. This is a good portion where you can get the which are the paths in progress in your club. You can get the detail. You can download the detail from here. View the details. Okay, and the path type. Okay. You can see here. Path type. There are 28 path users are path users 28. Okay, so you can just go and see that this completely gives you who are the people using. Sometimes you may require, you want to require the members and you want to write down what are their paths. So it is very easy to go this here. It gives you the full list of the path used by individual members. Okay, so you can just open it, view detail. To go a list of the members of your club, they are which with the things they are using, which path they are using. Okay, only those who have given their name as their home club. Otherwise, you can't see their name here. So this is sometimes DP education useful. You can want to note down which are the levels and you can note down here. Then you can go to individual there and you can note down how far he has completed.
Yes, sir. In this, can I talk?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, in this screen, the name is coming and even the training, the path is also coming. As
Yes.
Somebody earlier pointed out, if we get the level of completion also here, it will be very useful. Otherwise, I don't know. The path is giving importance. 3 persons are doing presentation mastery. It will not convey much.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Much to
Maybe,
the
Still, they may be making some new things they will be doing. Maybe people will
it should be
Yeah,
person centric, not the path centric.
Because there are so many screens go here and there, and people are using different paths, different
Yeah, that's another problem. I think
so
only one
it
screen.
may not be that much easy for them to get the direct result. That may be a reason. Maybe they are trying because how many electives are there? How many paths are there? People will be different. So all has to be properly adjusted. So it may take a little time. Maybe future definitely it will come. One screen you will know mania, which level and which path he is using. It should be easy to understand. Maybe in the future it will come.
As he correctly said, there are so many screens. It is confusing. It's only one screen can do all these things. I think only a single screen can give the details.
Okay. Now let us. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so the path type means we don't have any printed path. That's why nothing is okay. And recently selected path. So who are the people recently selected path will be listed here. So within 1 month, no one has taken any new path here. So that is it's not there. And here I am telling you external training. If any external training pending, it will be listed here. External training will be listed here. Okay, if someone asks you get approval, the pending request. No, if you approve someone, okay, we can proceed. You can give the speech. So that will be listed here. Any pending and something like that. Okay, that is the thing from here. I hope you got idea now. Okay, any doubts you have? Any questions?
Srikumar sir,
Ah,
you were telling about 2 paths can be done by a person. No, that's possible only if
what
he's
is
a
that? Two?
2 paths.
Yes, yes.
That's possible only if he's a dual member, right?
No. In one club also you pay and get the other path and you can proceed. It is not necessary that you have to be another. The first path is free. Second path you pay $20 and collect and you start. Both you can start. You give some speech here, you give some speech here. It is left to you. No problem.
Oh, I see. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
In fact, you can buy all the 10 paths, sir. If your wallet is having sufficient, all the 10 paths, just $200.
Okay. Any other questions?
I have a question. This is Jayant. Regarding if I complete a path within this term, or the next part, and if I start the next part in the next term, do I still have to pay $20 extra along with my membership, or?
See, once you pay the money and get the path, it is left to you to use this term or next term or after next term. You paid the money and it is your thing, and you can take your own time. Maybe you take 1 year, 2 years. It is left to you. You paid and got it. You purchase something. That's all. Okay.
I'll tell you, sir. In answer, this first path free is connected to our entry fees of $20, which we paid at the time of we becoming a Toastmaster. Remember, that is a once in a lifetime payment, $20. Then we get an ID. So that first 20 is linked to first free path. Thereafter, every path is priced $20. So whether it is this term or next term or wherever you want to complete, you complete.
I hope the answer is clear. Any questions? Okay. How can you know that who are the people in your club now? How do you know that one person is using his base club or the something else? See, there is a method here. Go here. I will just search one member name here. Search. Okay, I'm searching this member. This is only as a Basecamp manager. You can see here view team. This view team tells you who are the people active in your club now. Who are the people using your club as their home club. You just click this view team and you can see the complete names here. You can see that 23 members are using, they are using this home club, this particular club, Advanced Toastmasters, their home club. And you can see, you can type the name of some person. For example, I type Suja. She's a member of Advanced Toastmasters. I can search whether she is there. See, she is not there. And because she is the VP Education Assisi, her home club she made at the Assisi there. Okay, so you can use this to check the list of the people. Okay, only you cannot check from your own. Only Basecamp manager only check this. So that is one point I want to. So anything else? Any other question?
Sir,
entering in the pathway, we need to do it in the club central. Can you show that what to do?
How to enter in the club central, you mean? Okay, sure. Okay,
Yes.
so anything related to this, because I have to close this and go on. Anything related to this?
One question.
Yeah.
Yeah, the view team and the club roster will be different.
What is that?
View team and the club roster. That list will be different.
UT means? Yeah, here, no. UT, the club roster, all the people will be there. They are already paid. No? That is listed with you. This is regarding the Basecamp only here. Roster, all the members who paid and active in your club will be listed. Here only those who have made dual members, if they have not made this as this club as their home, will not be listed here. Okay.
Okay.
Any other question? If you don't have any other question, I will close it and go to Club Central. Is it okay? Okay, let me go to Club Central now. Okay, Leadership Central. Click this and automatically you have the Club Central. Club Central, there you see membership, submit education awards. You type the name of the person. Okay, I type the name and select what is the education program you want to give the credit. Level 1, level 2, something like that will be there. This is a new member, so nothing is there. If I select Anjali. Okay, usually it will be there now. Still, I think they have to upload this one. Shaji. Okay, I selected a name Shaji. Pathways, mentor program, pathways. Usually it will be shown here, level 1, level 2, something like that. See,
You can select. You can select from that.
you can approve only level 1, yeah, because other things are already finished. This is the new path he selected, online presentation path. Once you approve that, you can come and approve from here. Any other question? Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, yes, thank you.
Okay.
Yes, thank you.
So any other question? So if you don't have any other question, you can WhatsApp me or email me. Any doubt you have anytime, you can just WhatsApp me and I can try to help you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Srikumar sir, that first 2-3 slides what you had, do you think it will be worthwhile sharing with us?
Sure, I can share that.
Then
how can I share? How can I put in the?
Shall we send the email ID to you?
Yeah. There, those who are registered, I have their email ID. Other people, those who want, can just
those who want it, they can mail to Srikumar Pai asking for the soft copy.
I can give you. Yeah.
Those who want
very
it,
simple,
they can
very
write.
useful.
Send the email. Pai sir will send it back to you.
Thank you.
Okay. Shall we close? If you would, any other question?
So just one.
Yeah.
One last. So with respect to the external training which we are talking about, so mine is a new club. Okay, so maybe it's just silly doubt, but the person had attended a speech at a different thing, and she just informed me. She did not go through the site. So is it mandatory to be done in the site while attending?
Where she has given the speech, in the Toastmaster club or outside? Where she delivered the speech?
Toastmasters club or different Toastmaster club? Not
different Toastmasters club. Usually
another Toastmaster club.
Yeah, usually what you have to do is you get the evaluation sheet sent to the concerned person there, get evaluation, inform you, and you are confirmed that that is enough. You can't argue. The provision has been given by the Toastmasters that you have to get approval from the VP Education. Most of the club, they don't make that much mandate. You have to give approval. You have to ask the approval. Then only you have to do. Usually we don't do that. Okay, it is left to the club. Okay, they can show you the evaluation. She can show the evaluation sheet done by these Toastmasters. Done my evaluation. Please approve. You can approve.
Yes, she shared the evaluation sheet.
Actually, so, that is okay. After all, if some Toastmaster is playing gimmicks here and there, he is spoiling his own thing. You see, I am joined Toastmaster to improve myself. If I am showing other method to just getting awards and other, what is the use? There is no use. So it is. We don't implement. We don't stress too much with the members. We convince them. Okay. Any other question? Okay. I hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you very much for your cooperation. And if you want any other education session, please WhatsApp me. I will try to organize.